In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save queries in Perplexity AI for later. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture great answers, keep them organized, and come back to them whenever you need, without hunting through your history. First, open Perplexity AI. You can use the website in your browser or the app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so anything you save is tied to you and available across devices. If you're on a shared computer, consider logging out when you're done to keep your saved items private. Next, run a query. Type your question or prompt into the search box and press enter. For example, you might ask, summarize the top 5 AI productivity tools in 2026 with their key features. Give it a second to generate the response, and skim the result to confirm it's what you need. By the way, if you need the app or want to use the website, I've placed a direct download link for the app and a link to the website right at the top of the description, so you can get to Perplexity AI quickly. Once your result appears, look for the Save option. You'll typically find a Save button or a bookmark style icon near the top or bottom of the answer panel. If the layout has changed, check around the edges of the answer for an icon labeled Save. Take a moment to make sure you're saving the exact response you want. Click or tap Save. You may be prompted to name the query or choose a folder if folders are supported. Give it a clear, searchable name so you can recognize it later, like AI Productivity Tools 2026 Summary. If folders are available, pick one that fits the topic. A few seconds here will save a lot of time later. To access your saved queries, head to your profile or the Saved Queries section. You'll see everything you've saved in a neat list, ready to open, copy, or revisit anytime. This is perfect for ongoing research, drafting documents, or preparing presentations without rerunning the same prompts. Finally, organize for productivity. If your version supports folders or tags, create simple categories such as work, research, learning, or personal. Keep names consistent and specific so you can scan quickly. Over time, this turns your saved queries into a reliable, searchable knowledge base. That's it. Open Perplexity AI, run your query, save the answer, and organize it so you can find it fast. Thanks for watching.